Dr. Frank Simoncini, Gilbert, Arizona, the Flow Fixer, coming at you live. Southeast Valley Urology, www.southeastvalleyurology.com. We're talking about UROFILL, penile girth enhancement today. UROFILL is the product I use. I'm a board certified urologist. I've been operating on penises for many years. We have a set protocol for doing UROFILL and we get excellent results. It does really work. The biggest comment I get is from patients' wives: get more. Get more UROFILL. But come to a provider like myself, UROFILL, where we're using an excellent product and we have a significant amount of experience. By putting in a stable base of 6 units and then adding from there, we can give you the results that you desire. For your penile girth enhancement needs, come to me, Frank Simoncini, Gilbert, Arizona, the Flow Fixer, Southeast Valley Urology. Smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. It's going to help us get that message out there. See you soon.